Okay, so welcome back. Now in this example that we're going to do, we want to find the lateral surface area for this frustum. So one thing that we're told is has square bases. Okay, so we know the top base and the bottom base are squares, so we know that each side is 9 inches on the top and each edge of the base of the bottom is 15 inches. We're also told that the slant height is 5 inches and the height of the frustum is 4 inches. And so remember, for lateral surface area, okay, so for calculating lateral surface area, the formula is 1/2 what? It's the sum of the perimeters, okay, times the slant height. Oops, not 3, 2. Okay? And so once we know the formula, it's just a matter of plugging and chugging. Okay? So let's do that. Now, in this case, now, again, they give us more information than we need. We don't need the height. Okay? The reason why they put that in there is to kind of maybe trick you. Okay, because again, in a problem like this is testing to see whether you know the difference between the S and H, the slant height versus the altitude or the height of the frustum. So it's the C to make sure that you don't use the wrong number, right? So if you don't know the formula, or if you don't know the difference, and I just give you the slant height, you could just, by process of elimination, plug in the correct numbers, right? But that doesn't really test whether you know the formula or know how to use the formula or know the difference between slant height and altitude. So a lot of times, a lot of these problems will add more information just to make sure that you know how to think through the problem. So again, be careful, okay? Make sure you understand what's what and how to approach the problem. So now, okay, here we go. So all we're going to do is plug and chug, but we need to know perimeter 1 and perimeter 2. Well, what's the perimeter of the top? Well, it's going to be 4 times 9, right? Each side is 9. So that's going to be 36 inches. And P2, which is the bottom, is just going to be 4 times 15 because it's a square bottom. So it's going to be 4 times 15, which is going to be 60 inches. And so now we just plug in our values. So it's 1/2 36 plus 60 times 5. And so what do we get? We get 1/2 of 96 times 5, which equals 48 times 5, which is half of 480, which is 240 square inches. Okay? And that's the answer. So the lateral surface area of this frustum is 240 square inches. Have a great day.